Alright, welcome back to this assignment. We're in 5.10.5, and for this assignment what we want to do is make so that some of these, at least some of the text for these, kind of goes away. So right here you got some text for crabs, then you got turtles and squids and manta rays right there. But we're going to make some of that text disappear, and we can see in the index that we have classes for the images and classes for the caption, and then we have ID for the whales. And then of course down here same idea, got a class image, class caption, but then you have an ID for, it says shark cap, and then the next one same idea but it's for dolphin cap, and then the last one is octopus cap. So we're going to have to remember those for this assignment, because we want to style this using visibility properties so that two of them will be hidden and then two of them will be visible. So we're going to start up here, and the ID that I have was whale dash cap, and then we can apply some rules to whale dash cap. Now it's going to have some visibility, visibility, colon, and then I'm going to make the first one visible. I'll just do every other one. How about that? So that right there should make the first text here for crabs visible, and when I reload it you can see it didn't go away because it was already visible, which means it's our default setting. Next though, we're going to go to the turtles, and I'm going to make this one be hidden. So the turtles are stored in shark, the ID for shark dash cap, and then we got the fancy brackets, open and close, and this visibility will be hidden right there. So I go back to my page and reload it, and you can see the text now is hidden, even though, like they talked about before, the area where that text should be is now gone. Then I scroll down here and we see squids are adorable. We'll keep that one. So we're going to go now to the squid one, which is stored under dolphin dash cap. And again, this one is going to be visibility. There we go, which is going to be visible. So again, I'm not expecting any changes to occur here. If I reload this, all the text is there. But last of all for us is manta rays. And by the way, I'm doing manta rays right here. Yours is probably going to be a little bit different, but we're going to work with the ID octopus dash cap, and octopus dash cap will have visibility. Again, I'm just doing every other one, so this one will be hidden. You need at least two to be hidden and two to be visible in order to get credit. And then when I reload, the text there at the bottom is gone. So that's all we need for this assignment. Again, it's just to help you get used to really just hiding things, but you're going to see in the next assignment what we do is we take some of those some of this visibility, and we kind of combine it with our special selectors, which you will see again in the next assignment. But again, this is all that we need right there. Again, I'm using different animals than you will for your assignment, but the idea is the same. As long as you know which IDs and which IDs you're using, again, it's always going to be visibility colon visible or hidden, depending on which one you want, visible or hidden. So that's it for this assignment. We'll see you in the next one, but there again, there's the code that you will need.